The Houthi group, an armed movement in Yemen, claimed responsibility for fresh attacks on the U.S. aircraft carrier Eisenhower. This attack occurred in the Red Sea. Additionally, the Houthis targeted another U.S. warship and 4 commercial cargo vessels in both the Red Sea and the Arabian Sea. The Houthi military spokesperson, Yahya Sarria, stated that this was the group's second strike against the USS Eisenhower within a 24-hour period. The initial strike on the U.S. Eisenhower was reportedly in response to joint U.S.-British operations against Houthi positions. These operations took place on Thursday night and resulted in Yemen 16 deaths and 41 injured among civilians. On Saturday, the Houthi group claimed responsibility for a drone attack on an unnamed U.S. destroyer in the Red Sea. The Houthis also targeted commercial vessels accused of violating a Houthi ban on entering Israeli ports. The ships affected included Mania, Al-Araiq, and Abliyani. The Houthi spokesman vowed further attacks until Israel stops its war and blockade against the Palestinians in Gaza. Since November of the previous year, the Houthis have launched anti-ship ballistic missiles and drones, targeting what they consider to be Israeli-linked ships transiting the Red Sea. In response to Houthi attacks, the U.S.-British naval coalition, stationed in the waters, has conducted air raids and missile strikes against Houthi targets. The USS Dwight D. Eisenhower CVN-69, commonly known as the Eisenhower, was first attacked by Yemen's Houthis in the recent incident. The initial strike occurred in response to joint U.S.-British operations against Houthi positions on Thursday night, which resulted in civilian casualties. The Houthis claimed responsibility for this attack, and it marked the beginning of the recent series of strikes on the Eisenhower and other vessels in the Red Sea and Arabian Sea. USS Dwight D. Eisenhower, class and type. The Eisenhower belongs to the Nimitz class of aircraft carriers, which are nuclear-powered. Displacement, approximately 101,600 long tons at full load. Length, overall length of 1,092 feet, 332 meters, and waterline length of 1,040 feet, 317 meters. Beam, overall beam of 252 feet, 76 8 meters, and waterline beam of 134 feet, 8 meters. Height stands at 244 feet, 74 meters. Propulsion, powered by 2 Westinghouse A4W nuclear reactors Hu-93-52, equipped with 4 steam turbines, driving 4 shafts, providing a total of 260,000 shaft horsepower, 194 mu, capable of achieving a top speed of 30 plus knots, 56 plus km per hour, 35 plus mph. Complement, Ships Company, approximately 3,532 personnel. Air Wing, accommodates around 2,480 personnel. Sensors and systems, 3D air search radar, 9B target acquisition radar, air traffic control radars, landing aid radars, 91 guidance systems, 4 MiG-95 radars, electronic warfare and decoys, includes V4 countermeasures suite, and Nixie torpedo countermeasures. Armament, 2 RIM-7C Sparrow missile launchers, 2 RIM-116 rolling airframe missile launchers, 3 or 4 Phalanx CIWS close-in weapon system 20mm cannons. Aircraft capacity, can carry up to 90 fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters. Cost, the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower was constructed at Newport News Shipbuilding Company in Virginia at a cost equivalent to $5.3 billion in 2023 dollars. The Eisenhower has a rich history, having participated in deployments such as the Gulf War in the 1990s and more recent operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Yemen.